Hello? Why is my camera not working? Oh, there we go. Okay, you should be able to see kind of what I'm doing. So for takoyaki, we need a takoyaki mix. You can make it in your house. It's not difficult to make. All you need is basically flour, tempura bits, which you can probably buy online or just make them. It's not difficult at all. Some dashi stock, you can probably get those at your supermarket. Some shavings of nori seaweed. You can just make them yourself, buy some nori and then just like scrape it. An egg that obviously you want to use fresh, and that's pretty much it. Insides, that sounds weird. For the toppings, we have cheese. So this is some mozzarella cheese, some octopus that I cut earlier. We got some spring onion and some cabbage for the crunchiness. Usually I would use, for the crunchiness and a little bit of the aesthetic, pickled ginger. They were out of pickled ginger at my supermarket sadly, so I'm not gonna use that. And then for decoration we have katsuobushi, which is bonito flakes. They kind of look like they dance on top of the takoyaki with the heat. This is a plate I bought on Amazon. It was super cheap. The build quality is super cheap as well. The plate is not detachable, which is gonna be a pain in the ass to clean. And let's get cooking. I had got 300 milliliters of water with an egg cracked in it. How much was the takoyaki maker? I bought this one for 3,800 yen, about $28, $25. Pretty cheap. Gotta get the 100 grams of the flour in the mix. Keep it closed. You know the drill. Oh shit, it is spilling. Yo, no wonder it was free. What the f? Okay, it didn't spill that much. I'll use a normal mixer. I used the same thing to mix it on my sink and it didn't spill a single drop. So the way this works is you put the oil inside of this, then you use the little brush to like brush it onto the machine. You don't use too much oil. You don't want them deep fried, they're just fried. So for oil, any high smoke neutral oil would work. Don't use olive oil, please. It's gonna burn. Even if it doesn't burn, it's gonna taste bad. Don't be weird. Need to wait till this is, Jesus Christ, that's very hot already. Basically just get the oil into these little holes. I'm just gonna try one to see if it's mixed well. That looks alright. Then you just go and put in your toppings, whatever you want. If the butter works, then I'm just gonna make the rest. Yeah, for plating, you usually use this like wooden plates. You can just buy them. Why this one is broken? Fuck. But yeah, use this one just so it looks like nice. Pretty much it. We can just go ahead and put the other ones. You don't need to put it perfectly as well, because if you see how they cook it on like the restaurants, they literally just drown the machine in butter. As it cooks, you push it into the thing. Put some of the octopus. It's kind of like chewy and fishy, obviously. It doesn't have a really strong taste in my opinion. Pretty nice, I like it. That's a big piece of tempura. Then the excess butter you can just throw into the ones that are a little bit less than they should. Such a mess. I didn't even spill it outside of the machine. What do you mean a mess? I love spring onion on the takoyaki. I know people that don't like it. I don't understand people that don't like spring onion, honestly. Doing this would be so much easier if I didn't have the camera on my face. I should have put way more butter. Imagine not liking veggies. Yeah, imagine going out with your friends and being like, oh, you can eat this, I don't like veggies. Just put it like that. I think one of the things I do wrong when I cook this is that I'm not patient. So I end up making not perfect takoyakis just because I want to flip them all the time before the machine is hot enough. Yeah, we had a few pauses enjoying summer. I will never understand people that enjoy hot weather. For sauces, we got takoyaki sauce and Kewpie mayo. Takoyaki sauce, doable at home. It's just sauce and like oyster sauce and some soy sauce and stuff like that. Then Kewpie mayo, awesome mayo. I would just buy the takoyaki sauce. I don't think it's worth making. There's not much difference between homemade and not homemade unless you're gonna put your own ingredients in it. This machine is so slow. I should have gotten the fire one. Oh yeah, I got this beer. I don't know what it is. I literally bought it because it's purple, which is very on brand. Fitsini, you got this. Thank you. Cheers. Oh, that's good. What the hell? Yo, that is very good. Okay, these are not looking bad. Trust the process. Yeah, I can't wait to eat balls. There's too many clips of me saying shit like that on this channel. These are done. How the hell are you not done yet? Go there. Where is my nori? There we go. First batch done. Might make one more with cheese. With obviously some of the Takoyaki sauce. Some of that QP mayo. Sorry I don't have the fancy mayo thing that spills like 3 mayo things. Ooh, I bumped my camera. The one topping I would say I can see why people skip is probably the katsuobushi. It just looks nice because it's dancing around, but I don't think it adds that much good flavor. Here it is. That doesn't look half bad actually. That looks pretty good. I am gonna let it cool down for a little bit because it is very, very hot. And I'm gonna use this guy to eat it. Because he's cute. My camera doesn't think so. Come on, camera. There we go. Look at him. Oh man, this looks so good. It's also burning the shit out of my hand. Why is my camera not focusing? Oh, whatever. Itadakimasu. What? Oh my god, that's so good. Ah, my tongue. Oh, it tastes so good. Fuck. Weird. Yeah, it was so good. I ascended for a second. Man, these things look so good, but it's always like molten lava inside. Camera. Focus. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Puta madre. Not hot. I am remembering why this is my favorite food. This is dangerous. I should not have the takoyaki maker in my house. I'm gonna make this every day. No, I'm not gonna make this every day. I'm gonna make like once a month. If I remember I have the thing. Put the recipe in the description if you guys want to follow it. I'll also put a recipe to making your own batter on the description. It shouldn't be that hard. You can also just use a simplified batter. Just water, flour, egg. Mix it well. That's it.